Welcome to the post-lunch session. And I'm sure, after lunch, it's a little bit difficult to focus that I'll try to grab your attention as much as possible. And this is Madanmohan Reddy. I'm from Green Business Center, and I represent Greenco. It's a Green Company Rating Council. And whatever we have, I just wanted to run you through the importance of the center that you're talking about. How is it very much relevant, the topic and this center? So I just want you to this is the aerial view of the center that you're sitting right now, where we have gathered. This is the first platinum-rated green building in India, in fact, outside US, and inaugurated in 2004. And since 2019, we are also a platinum-rated net zero energy buildings, which means we are also energy surplus, right? And this center is meant for the industry to help the industry to improve their green competitiveness and improve their environmental performance. And through multiple councils, we are offering, these, assistance to the industry, rather, and the collaborating, efforts. And first council is the IGBC. It's a green building, Indian Green Building Council, meant for the buildings and built environments. It's, we have 33 types of ratings suiting all the typologies of the buildings. And the second one is the Greenco, Green Company Rating System, which is meant for the manufacturing facilities to improve their environmental performance. It's a holistic framework. And I have a couple of minutes video also to give you more information about it. Green Pro is a green product eco label for green products, type 1 eco label, predominantly meant for the building material. And the fourth one is the Energy Efficiency Council, and we run, we help industries to do the energy audits. And it is one of the largest and oldest energy efficiency council in India. And for your energy audits, energy efficiency improvements, we have various, programs. And the Green Entrepreneurship Council is to help the clean tech startups to improve or to scale their reach and revenue, where they have the proven products and technologies to contribute to the industry in terms of clean tech is another council. Moving ahead, so under Greenco, we have these multiple ratings and certifications. Without getting into details, specific to pharma, we have detailed guidelines suited for pharma industry, and this is a holistic rating framework. And can you play the video?
Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It's today's challenge. Is your business ready to lead the change? The Greenco rating system, world's first of its kind performance-based assessment and rating framework, empowering industries to drive sustainable growth. As regulatory pressures tighten and climate impacts intensify, sustainability is now a core operational priority. Businesses must quantify, improve, and demonstrate their environmental performance. Greenco, developed by the CII Green Business Center, helps companies take a broader view of how they use energy and water, manage waste, adopt renewables, reduce emissions, and even design better products. It provides a clear pathway towards smarter and more sustainable business practices. Each parameter includes mandatory criteria and performance benchmarks, aligned with global standards, providing industries with a structured, measurable roadmap toward excellence in environmental sustainability. The Greenco journey spans from self-assessment to comprehensive expert evaluation, culminating in ratings from certified up to Platinum and Platinum Plus for world-class sustainability performers. The process is credible, transparent, and transformation-driven, led by accredited independent assessors comprising senior industry experts. Greenco offers sector-specific checklists across a wide range of industries, including mining, manufacturing, engineering, automotive, cement, railways, pharmaceuticals, oil and gas, and more. It is enabling companies like Godrej Enterprises, L&T, and textile clusters to green their supply chains, with 80% of their procurement value coming from green supply. IOCL, HPCL, and Indian Railways are implementing the Greenco rating across their marketing locations and workshops, integrating it into their procurement systems and staff training programs. Greenco aligns with national frameworks like BRSR and international ones like CBAM and SDGs. Greenco integrates life cycle emissions, Scope 3 tracking, and zero waste systems into performance strategy. Greenco is recognized by UNIDO, UNITC, making it a globally respected standard. Whether you are an MSME or a multinational, Greenco equips you to reduce emissions, save costs, and lead climate action. Let data drive your sustainability transformation. Get assessed, get rated, get recognized. Join the Greenco movement. Green makes business sense.
Yeah. Thank you. You can put on the slides back. So this is the Greenco rating framework that we are talking about. It's a holistic rating framework. Why we say? Because it covers all the aspects of environmental parameters. When we say sustainability or environment, it's not just the greenhouse gases emissions. It also talks about the energy efficiency. It talks about the water positiveness and your carbon neutrality. And how are you managing your waste? How are you ensuring your facility is zero waste to landfill? And how are you ensuring the circularity is inculcated into your systems and processes? And also, how are you reducing your dependency on the virgin material and improving the circularity? And how are you helping your supply chain partners also? How are you working with them and ensuring that your scope 3 emissions are also taken care? And how are you bringing them into green value chain? And how is your green infrastructure and the biodiversity? How are you taking care of your biodiversity? And what is your product stewardship? How are you taking the life cycle approach? Is what all the parameters that the assessment is about. And based on the, it's a detailed checklist and a sector specific, again, like, as mentioned in the video also. And multiple levels depends on the scoring that based on your performance. It's a performance-driven approach. 30% weightage goes to the systems and processes that you have. 70% weightage goes to the performance. How are you reducing your impact or on the environment or improving your efficiencies and all these things. So the ultimate objective is to turn your facility into carbon neutral, water positive, and zero waste to landfill is the ultimate goal. And we also have the individual certifications. They're focused on each area of the aspects that we talked about. But why certifications? It talks about, is it important to get validated? First of all, where do you start your journey? Okay, that's where you need certain direction, certain tool to improve your aspects. That's where these tools and frameworks will help you. And it facilitates phase-wise progress. It's not just you directly become a net zero or zero waste to landfill all of a sudden. It's a journey. You need to start. You need certain framework or a tool to do that, right? It gives you a phase-wise progress, and also it gives you it kind of imposes an accountability or continuous improvement. When you have anything that can be measured can be improved, right? Once you measure it and you understand where you are standing, and then you keep on improving it, right? And also adoption across the value chain is also very much important. It's not just you. Your partners, your suppliers, all the stakeholders. How are you ensuring that they're also, joining the movement? And also, it's suited for the Indian conditions, not just in international standards and all. Starting from the local and then going global, and it also takes care of the global requirements as well, and mostly designed for the Indian units, right? And also, it aligns with the global standards as well, as I mentioned. It's a transparency at third-party validation. First, you start improving and you achieve the status, and then you get validated. Then it becomes a credible effort, right? So this is about each certificate. It's a closing the loop. What about the zero waste to landfill? It's all about closing the loop. When you the circularity and ensuring that whatever the recovery that you're soluble recoveries and all, these are all related to this thing, and it reduction of the waste is the major intention, and then ensuring the nothing is going for the landfill. And also, it's end-to-end waste traceability is what the key driver of this approach. And it promotes circular economy. And these are the the certification levels. Once you achieve 99.7%, you become zero waste to landfill, as per the, it considered all the regulatory aspects. And it starts from 95% is the minimum requirement. So the second one is the measurement to mitigation operational carbon. How do you ensure that your operational carbon, you're becoming net zero in terms of operational carbon? It means your scope 1 and scope 2. Scope 3 is, once you take care of scope 1 and scope 2, then you look into scope 3 emissions, right? So this will help you to understand how to become net zero in this area, right? It's there's a clear-cut target and clear-cut approach that you can follow with this framework and tool. And it facilitates holistic progress. It's not just one area, and it identifies all the aspects where you can invest or look into and become a net zero in this area. Again, 0.99 is 99% is what talks about net zero operational carbon. And the third one is the water neutrality, and how is it important to become water neutral, and then next look into water positivity, right? So the requirement is, once you become 100%, you will become a water neutral. anything above that you're doing is will entitle you as a water positive unit. And for that, this is the ratio. There's a structured framework that we have to become water neutral at the event. The fourth one is the specific to, this is a very recent introduction, zero liquid discharge certification. And I cannot emphasize more the importance of this certification for the pharma sector because of the regulations or pollution control board impositions and all. And it will give you a clear-cut picture of your unit. How do you become a zero liquid discharge unit is another aspect. And if you anything greater than 90% will give you ZLD pinnacle status is what this certification is about. So yeah, and due to paucity of time, we are just wrapping up quickly. Thank you very much. And if you want to know anything more about these certifications or services or any guidance or collaboration, these are the contact details. Please, you can we can always take the discussions offline. Right? Thank you very much for the opportunity.